The following program is in described video for the visually impaired. It is also suggested that you listen to it under the influence of heavy drugs. Thank you.
Purchase your tracks
Welcome back, beards and beardettes. Today is going to be the first installment of a series that I'm either going to call Forgotten Teks or Broke Boi Teks. So give me your ideas of which one it ought to be, or if you have an even better idea, throw it down in the comments section. We can figure this out together. But back to the subject at hand, today we're going to be talking about media bottles. Now, these are not your traditional media bottles, right? Like, traditional media bottles are glass, and they're pretty expensive. Well, expensive to some of us. For instance, here's a 500 milliliter media bottle, and those are about 12 bucks, right? But these here are polypropylene, and they are from Pedialyte, right? Or Pedialyte adjacent. This one here is an actual Pedialyte bottle. This one is from Walmart, the Walmart branded Equate. But luckily, regardless of whether you buy the more expensive one or the cheaper one, they're fairly inexpensive. They're about $3, and you get a drink with them. When you're done with them, these can be used repeatedly. And when I say repeatedly, I don't mean 2 or 3 times. I mean, when I first got started doing agar work, I had a handful of these, and they went through dozens of PC runs, and they were still fine. They still work perfectly good. So for about $3, you can get you a 1 liter, and I think these are about $2.50. Again, this is the Walmart brand. That's why it has the blue lid, but it's still polypropylene. Let's see, maybe we can even get it on camera so you can see what I'm talking about. Let's see here. Let's see if we can focus on that. Maybe we can, maybe we can't. It doesn't look like it's going to let me. But that is a recyclable symbol with the letters and numbers PP5 inside of it. Now that stands for polypropylene. I believe 5 is the level of recyclability. Now these work awesome. These work awesome. Like I said, I used them for years. The same bottles. I didn't have to get new bottles. I used these. An old friend of mine who, if you've been around for a while, you'd probably recognize the name DC Mac. For those of you who are kind of newer to the hobby, you're probably not familiar with that name, but he's a friend of mine, and he was a legend in the industry, and he's the one that turned me on to using these bottles to do agar pours. Again, they work exceptionally well, and they will go through as many cycles in that PC as you want them to. They won't deform, they're going to be just like that, and they work perfect. So this is logged in as episode 1 of our Forgotten Teks / Broke Boi Teks series. I hope this helps somebody out there. Again, this is a hell of a lot cheaper than buying a bunch of these. So you guys stay safe out there, and happy cultivating.